Cleaning your Wolfman WP bags. Items you'll need: sponge or a rag, warm soapy water, and clean rinse water, and a dry towel. Inspect the bag. Clean the bag with warm soapy water to remove all the grit, rinsing the sponge or rag often. Use clean rinse water, again rinsing the sponge off. Dry the bag down with a clean towel and let it air dry, and you're done. WP zipper maintenance. Items needed: toothbrush, silicone spray, Armor All, 303 or the like, a rag or paper towel, but remember, do not use WD-40. Inspect the zipper, open your bag, and with the toothbrush, clean the teeth. Get any grit or grime out of the teeth, top and bottom. Spray some silicone or Armor All or 303 or the like on a paper towel or rag. Fold it over the zipper so you clean both sides of the teeth, inside and the vinyl on the outside. You can close the bag as well and really rub in Armor All, silicone, or 303. To really, what you want to do is make that very slick. Close the bag and you are done and good to go. Now, if you're in the field, one thing to do is just use water to get that grit off the zipper tape. It's where the zipper tape is where the friction occurs and the zippers get stiff. One of the most overlooked areas is cleaning your webbing. Take any of the removable webbing you have, inspect it, immerse it in your warm soapy water, agitate it, scrunch it up, try to remove as much dirt and grime from the webbing as possible. Put it in your rinse, do the same thing, agitate, scrunch it up, get as much water out, and then squeegee and remove all the water you can. Just pinch it between your thumb and forefingers and let it air dry, and you are good to go.